Okay. Are you ready?
Let me repeat that one more time.
Déjame ahogar, eso no se hace.
Okay, so
You only do it when you are supervised by
yeah.
an adult.
So I have an egg here. It's this was gonna be hard boiled.
It is hard boiled.
Oh, it is. I'm gonna smash it on my mom. She's gonna smash it on me. The reason we're doing this is like she said, smash it on the counter. So and I said,
No, you asked me, can I touch it? And I said, you can actually peel one. And you said, what? And I said, oh, they're hard boiled eggs. And that's when you were like, can I smack one?
no, that's when you said smack it right here on the counter.
Oh yes.
Yeah, and then I said, how about smack it right here? And then this happened.
And then I was like, okay, you smack it on me, I smack it on you. Only that's fair. That's fair.
That's how this happened.
Okay, you ready? You want me to go first, or you want to go first?
I don't know.
You
Rock,
wanna go
paper, scissors.
first? Okay, yo.
Whoever loses goes first.
2 out of 3.
3 out of 3.
How does that work? It's 2 out of 3.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Show me what you got. I got this and you got that. Oh,
Rock,
that's
paper,
same.
scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Show me what you got.
I got this and you got that.
No!
Oh!
Yes.
That's 1. You better get another one.
I have to get another one?
Yes,
And
because
then-
it's 2 out of 3.
Oh, okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Show me what you got. I got this and you got that. Uy, the next one. ¿Listo?
No.
En español esta vez. Piedra, papel o tijera. So you shoot at tijera, okay? Piedra, papel o tijera. Piedra, papel o tijera. You never change it, bro. You always do scissors. Here. Okay, so you go first.
Why?
Because we...
Oh, wait, yeah.
You want to put your hand here?
No, give me a sec.
Okay.
Not yet.
I won't do it hard. Oh,
I'm scared.
why are you scared?
I don't know.
It doesn't hurt. I mean, I've never done it before, so I don't know. But I don't think nothing's gonna happen because it's a hard-boiled egg.
Okay.
Did it hurt?
No, a little.
Oh!
Little. Okay, it cracked.
It cracked.
Yo, imagine it did.
Let me do the other side so I can peel it.
Oh my god. Yo!
Okay.
What is the whole thing cracked?
Okay, now I'm gonna do that one, and then you do yours, and then we see who peels it faster and the more cheese.
And then we're gonna do this again.
No, because I have to
Yeah,
go make dinner.
yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, it does hurt. What you mean? Do it over here. You did it like right here.
Yes. Big
What did we
forehead.
just
Big
talk
forehead,
about?
Big forehead. I said big Wait.
Right there.
Okay,
Not right here. Right here.
You scratched it right there. Okay, right there. Okay, right there.
Oh.
No, you're so old.
Oh,
You're so
hurt.
You're
Do
so
it
old.
over here. You're not doing it right. Okay, wait. You're not doing it with the right pressure. Ready?
Yo, you're not doing it. Stop.
Oh!
Okay.
It hurt. I did it too hard because mine was like so gentle. It's because I put some force and then you put some force. That's gonna be an ugly one. Here, you can do this one.
No, how many is it over? No.
It has to be pretty though. So I think I'm gonna make it.
It's not about who gets it first. It's about which one is prettier first.
It's because I hit it too hard, so you made it cry. Right there. That one should be clean because that was a smooth little touch.
Yeah,
in your forehead.
This part isn't.
You want to help you?
No. I'm gonna do it again.
Oh.
Wait, no. Maybe after when you're done making dinner, maybe you can make more hard-boiled eggs and we can do
I have
more.
more hard boiled.
Oh,
It's like 8, but that's not dinner. That's just a snack.
Oh.
Well, I make them just for snacks.
Oh, so maybe when you're done with dinner, maybe you can make another video to the hard-boiled eggs. Okay?
Maybe. Let's see.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm just kidding. No, you have to. You don't because I'm gonna go fast now.
Uy, you're making a mess.
I'm gonna go fast now.
Be careful to not poke it because it's still sensitive.
And
It's
yeah,
like-
hey, this is not all. We're gonna put salt on it.
Oh yes. Y salsa.
No, not salsa.
Uy.
I don't like salsa.
Salsa Valentina.
My
Déjame
bad.
traer el ensalada.
So this is not all. We're gonna put salt. Me, my mother's gonna eat it, and we're gonna see who makes a face. You can't even
Oh, I'm
swallow.
gonna make a yummy face.
You can't even make a yummy face.
What?
I'm just kidding.
But that's how you enjoy food.
I'm just kidding. We're gonna eat it, and then whichever finishes it first, whoever finishes it first wins.
Okay. But keep them here. You're gonna have the table smelling like egg.
You don't have to fast forward this, okay? Don't. Okay, I have my boil.
You see how yours has no cracks? Because my head was like so smooth. Mine does. Okay, here.
This. Yo, this egg is naked. This good.
Oh, you made me remember a cartoon I used to watch when I was little. And there was like a pollitos, and I'm gonna see if I Google it, and I'm gonna put an image somewhere around.
Wait, give me a sec. I'm trying to think of something.
I'm gonna eat it now because I cannot wait.
No. This is me as soon as I'm done using the toilet. Okay, that was better. I gotta think of anything else. I'm gonna go all around it.
The filter, sir. Remember? Ew! You gotta lick it. You're gonna get scared.
Lick it.
No! Look at it.
Guys, lick it. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
I don't like it just like that by itself.
Okay, I put more. Okay,
But in the tray.
3, 2, 1. I don't want to play boiled eggs.
You don't like it?
It tastes weird.
It tastes weird. It's the texture probably that you don't like.
No, it's the yellow part.
You can take it out.
Oh.
Just kind of peel it. Don't smoosh it, because if you smoosh it, it's gonna come apart. Very gentle. Look. Uy!
Bro.
Mira, parece una canica.
What's
A marble. Here, you can spit it here. Yo, seriously. This is. Why are you doing that? You're gonna make the whole thing smell like egg. Pick it up, mama. Egg.
I'm putting more salt.
You don't want to try it?
I'm putting more salt.
You said you were trying new food.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
You said that like 5 days ago.
I do like this though. Ew, but your spit was there. No, thank you.
You're gonna finish it first.
I love it. I've never eaten like this, like with my fingers. I usually like chop it and then I use a fork. Are you serious?
Yeah. No. Well, I'm posting this on my YouTube. I'm posting it on her TikTok. Bro. Cover my face.
I will.
No. Don't cover her face. Yeah, you just flip the camera off. Oh.
Oh man.
You finish it first.
You're doing a mess of salt and stuff.
I like it with salt. I like it with salt.
Not too much.
I'm heavy.
No, that the table.
Like that?
No, Julia, don't tickle me.
We're gonna put that out too.
And it's not that you're heavy. It's the table. You see this part here? It's not a. This is just a. This is not supposed to be like a table.
Double tap to eat the egg. 3, 2, 1. Good job, you ate the egg.
Okay, you're playing with your food too much. Bye.
Part 2. Like and subscribe if you want part 2.
There's gonna be no part 2.
Yeah, there is.